today a lot of programs are, the expenditures are delayed and delayed and delayed until it's almost too late to get started. We could make a pattern in 1 to 2 weeks and a casting for you in 1 to 2 weeks. So within 3 to 4 weeks, you're actually holding the first article casting in your hands to see if that's exactly what you were going for in the design. Hi, my name is Bob Conley. I'm the sales manager at Harmony Castings. We produce V-Process aluminum castings. We make castings from about this size. This is the smallest, is why I bring it to the shows. Something you can hold in your hands, and we'll make multiple impressions on the pattern to do this. And as large as this casting, which fits in a 36 by 48 flask, and it actually weighs about 150 pounds. V-Process is shortened for vacuum molded castings. And we use sand, just like a sand caster would, a sand foundry. However, we use no binders, no clays, no chemicals. We just use a vacuum process to hold the sand against the pattern. And so there's a lot of benefits that comes from that. One of which is we can recycle the sand, but you also produce a lot less gas in the process of pouring metal. So you have less porosity, and there's other advantages too. You don't need draft on the pattern equipment, so it reduces machining time substantially. We also have thinner walls than a normal sand casting foundry. We can produce down to 125 thousandths wall thickness, or about 3 millimeters. And we also can give a much better finish. We actually make a pattern out of this material. It's called Ren Shape. It's a polyurethane material. And we drill holes in it to be able to pull the vacuum. And we'll machine this material into the shape of your part, mount it to a board, and then we drill holes in to pull vacuum. We heat up a piece of film and pull it over the pattern, and it fits down into all of the depth of the piece. We put a flask equipment around it, which is actually a vacuum chamber, and we fill it with dry sand. And we put another piece of film over top, hook up a vacuum to it, and pull vacuum, so it's like the coffee brick you'd buy in a grocery store. We reverse the flow for a second, it pops the pattern out. Again, no draft on that pattern. We make a cope and a drag the same way, close it up, and under vacuum, we pour metal into it. The metal chills immediately as it goes in. It melts the plastic, and the sand never touches the metal, and that's one of the reasons you get such a nice sand surface. The patterns are guaranteed forever. It's unlimited pattern life. The way the pattern is built, it can be changed. So if you find, oh, those bosses are in the wrong place or something isn't right, we can change that on the pattern and make another first article and then take off with the program. They designed the basic part, and then what we try to do is eliminate or reduce the amount of machining that they're going to have to do. We can get down to a 125 finish, which is much better than a sand casting. And so it's just a cooperative effort to try to reduce cost out of the part when we make it, and make it more pourable as a casting too. We can get you a quote in 3 to 4 days, and we'll take your model, come up with a price very quickly, and then you can see if you want to travel the path with us.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.